Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. So today I will be showing you guys how you can make your system run faster. So the first thing that you should do is try removing all the junk files that Windows has, and you'll find them when you go over to the search bar here and go over to run and type in temp %signs on over them, and this is something that I don't want to delete because these are like the one that I'm recording right now. But like, let's say you don't have any like apps running right now, so that is when you can remove the temp files. And temp files are basically files that your apps are gonna use in order to save information, and later like they can like add up to a lot of system files which don't get cleared up. So you might want to do that. That will like clear up a lot of space. Temp is one folder, and there's another folder called prefetch. You want to click on continue, and you're gonna find all those stuff here, so clear up all those files. And the next thing that you should do is reduce your RAM usage. So you can like do that. I've showed that on another video. So sometimes your RAM might be like, there can be some internal software issues. Another thing that I see a lot in laptops, which is the power settings problem, that most laptops people like set their like power saving mode or something, which will save up a lot of their battery. Problem is that when battery gets saved, it means that your system is not being used to its maximum potential in order to save energy. So for that, your system will like run really slow. Like even if your computer has like high gigs of RAM and stuff, you might want to like do some changes in your settings in order to like fix that. And another thing that you can do is defragmentation. Basically, defragmentation is like organizing your files. Go over and search for defragmentation, and over here you're gonna see like optimize drives and stuff. Click on optimize, and it will start optimizing your drive. So set to a weekly schedule. You can change that to daily or something. Have those checked, and yeah, do a Windows memory diagnostic. And what this will do is it will check all your drives and stuff and try to see if there is anything wrong with that in memory storage or something. And if there is a problem in like software or something, it will attempt like to solve it. Something that you should do if you see that your system is running really slow. There are other more checkups that you can do. Go over to your control panel and then go over to optimize, and if you scroll down, you're gonna find the section where it says make things on my screen easier to see, and over there you're gonna see option that says turn off all unnecessary animations. You want to keep that checked on if you say your system is running slow, because it will like reduce all like animations and details that make up Windows. Yeah, you can do that, but it will just have a little impact because it doesn't take up much system power anyway. And if you want to like have more control over that, you might want to search up like advanced system settings and go over to a tab called advanced and performance, and where you'll find the settings and like select the stuff that you want and don't want. Also, you do want to keep your Windows drive like as free as you can. You want to like have as less stuff on the drive where you have Windows installed. If you have unnecessary stuff on your local disk, then you like want to clear those up. In order to help you do that, you have something called disk cleanup. When you click on that, it says to select the drive you want. You can go with C, and then over there you can like choose the stuff you want to remove, and then click on clean up system files. And another app called C Cleaner is also great. It's free. The only problem is that it like has a lot of like updates and all the time. So yeah, and also you might want to do a virus scan, because there can be malware running in the background which cause your like system to use up a lot of memory and stuff, which will make everything slower than usual, and you'll not like understand why. So you might want to do a scan and see if there's anything unusual running in your system. Whenever you turn on your computer, you might see that a lot of unnecessary programs that run by themselves and like they open up by themselves. That happens because you have startup enabled, and if you want to disable that, then go with your task manager and you'll find a tab called startup. So you'll find a few apps here that I've already disabled because like I don't want them to like start up by themselves. Another thing that will also happen in the background, there are services that are in the background, and in order to disable them you gotta go with your run and then services.msc. over here you're gonna find tons of services. Over to the startup type panel, you're gonna find, click on that, you can like disable all the stuff that like, you don't want to like start up by itself. So but you have got to be careful because there are a lot of important fundamental like vital things that with Windows you don't want to disable any services like that. So you gotta search for stuff that have like doesn't really impact the system. And so yeah, thanks a lot for watching, hope this was helpful, and I will see you again in the next video.